Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your indicators if you don't know how to. The indicators on the hazards. Okay, so if you turn on the left indicator, it comes up with the thing there, and on the mirror as well. Okay, turn your right on now. Right indicator shows up there, and you turn to right, and then it shows on the mirror as well. And the hazards are on. This is what it looks like, and you got this indicator on, this indicator on. I'm going to walk around the whole car so you can see what the hazards are like, what it looks like on the outside. So this is what it looks like on the back. This is what it looks like at the front. Yes, so that is it. That is how you use the indicators and the hazards. And this is MrWaheedulHaque. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.